Andie.
This is not your channel. This is definitely my channel.
A disgrace.
My channel, okay.
Okay. So today, guys, I decided to do a video because
really, nigga.
I'm filming for YouTube. Just cut. Okay, guys. So, guys, I just feel as if like it's been a long time since I haven't been on YouTube. So I just wanted to do like a quick video on catching up, what's going on, what's popping. So, guys, I just wanted to let you guys know that I moved into a new studio. And it's so amazing. I am going to do a tour video to give you guys like an insight on from the beginning of how the room started to where we are now and how it completed. I started to film the pieces, but I'm not done yet. You guys have to stay tuned and keep watching. Montreal is staring at me and it's so annoying. But on a serious note though, guys, I am going to Colombia this week.
Sorry.
You know Rosita, who was in my last YouTube video that you guys absolutely love. It's her birthday and we're going together, so you guys stay tuned for that as well. Being that it's gonna be lit, like, so I just wanted to give you guys a catch up with me, whatever today, you know, whatever, you know, so just catching up. So yeah, by the way, let's give them a word of encouragement. So here's my word of encouragement. So this past week, you know, this past couple weeks, we moved into this new shop or whatever, and it's been a little tough because, you know, this is my first time owning my own studio and like actually having employees, you know, doing this and that, and it's been hard, especially because, you know, all the responsibilities on your back. You can't run to the owner about a lot of things because they give you what you wanted and then boom, you got to do what you got to do. So it's kind of been hard, and hold on. Like I was saying, it was hard. It is hard, you know, moving in here by myself, you know, like doing everything by myself. So it was really tough on me because like I had to do the floorings, the lighting, and then it's like when I got to the lighting, like the wiring, you're paying extra money for wires that has to be legal, and it was just so frustrating because it was just like, oh my god, like so much stuff is going on all at once, and it was just like, I can't do this, I can't. And then it was just like so crazy because it's like, you know, you're paying for stuff, and it's like when you have your own stuff, you think you're spending money by the hundreds, but you're really spending them by the thousands. And it's like, I've never been in a predicament like that before, especially because, you know, you spend money on things that you like, so you don't really notice it. But now that you're actually doing something for your business, it's a whole nother level. But you know, I thank God for that, because at the end of the day, he used that as an opportunity for me to understand what it's like to be a homeowner, or to be great, or to be big. Because like people want to grow and they want to be like bosses, like real life bosses. They want to own buildings, they want to own corporations, and they want to own large companies. They want to be like Two-Face and Mac and stuff, but they're not willing to do or take the sacrifices necessary in order for them to reach their fullest potential in that area. So I just feel like God was preparing me for that. God was preparing me for what it's like to be a homeowner, what it's like to be a business owner, what it's like to take big losses. Although I've took losses before, but nothing like this. He's teaching me what it's like to not worry and let him do everything. So despite all of that, of course, you know, the shop is getting there. It's almost complete, and you know, I'm just trusting God that he's gonna do it, because I just know that he is, because I would not be in this position if it was not for him. I wouldn't have started if it was not for him. So, you know, down to my employees, like the employees that I've hired, these are girls that go to my church. They're driven, they're motivated, and they all depend on Christ to be at their fullest potential, to gain clientele. Everything that they're doing, they're sacrificing to be here with me, and I appreciate them. And I appreciate that God, you know, allowed me to have them, because I could have just had anybody work with me, but you know, he handpicked each and every one of them, and I'm just happy, and I'm grateful So that's pretty much what's going on with this whole new shop. I'm also super excited for my other co-workers as well. You know, everything is going on well for them. My sister, as you guys already know, who used to work with me, she now owns her own studio as well in the shop. So it's like one big shop and we all have our own studios within the shop. So my sister has her own studio, she has her own staff, which Montreal, who works with her, was the one interrupting my videos. Yeah, that's one of her employees.
Hi everyone, God bless you.
You know what? I cannot. So he works with Sabrina, and that's a whole other ball game. Montreal is a whole nother blessing in disguise. That's a whole nother subject, you know. But ultimately, I'm just super excited. I'm like really happy for our team. My mentor Kathy, I'm super excited. I'm happy for my assistant, because I see my sister over there acting like she's not gonna stop me out. Justine, okay, sweetie.
Okay, what's up? Yeah, okay.
This video's gonna be so ratchet.
Ratchet YouTube video.
Actually,
so
I'm not.
305,
I'm the most professional person in this place, so it's not going there with the ratchet because
They can't see you at all.
I could never. Okay, be ratchet. Okay, that's just not me. That's just not my cup of tea. You know.
Wait, tea?
Tea.
Oh, tea. Oh, now I get it. I thought you meant like tea, like little. No, okay.
No.
Yeah.
No, that wasn't it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm the assistant. Okay.
Yeah. So every time you guys book an appointment, like she's the one that texts you guys. Yeah. Ratchet. But guys, so I'm back again. Yeah, I have to put my hair.
Why you didn't put your hair down?
Yeah, I didn't put my hair down because it was annoying.
Okay. Yo, you're a come.
Yeah, it was annoying. So I had to put it up. But I'm back. But guys, I'm super excited once again for this whole new shop. Have you guys met Haskell? Haskell, can you want to come say hi?
Hell no.
Why? Why?
I am not camera friendly
Haskell, you need to come say hi to the people.
yet.
So how am I supposed to do this? No, you have to come on this side so they can see you clear as day. Why is Haskell cameras?
I look good.
Oh, hey girl.
I have no brows, but I look good.
Okay.
Okay, girl.
Hey guys.
So this is Haskell. She is one of my makeup artists who's in my suite. But anyways, overall you guys, once again, like I was saying before, I want to encourage you all to go ahead and take a leap of faith. Step out.
Or just into my number.
You know what? Montreal always interrupts us.
Interrupt.
Are you calling
Interrupting. How you spell interrupt?
Cut. Montreal, please exit the
Oh no, because they want
Please exit the building.
Bluetooth on, Haskell.
Oh, I'm.
But guys, as they're having their conversation in the middle of our conversation, I just want to encourage you all to take that leap of faith and do something outside of your norm. Do something that you don't think that you're able to do and just try it. So if there's something that you've been thinking about doing and you're skeptical about it, you're not sure if you want to do it, or you just feel like it's too big to do, I challenge you to do it. I challenge you to try. I challenge you to take that first step. I challenge you to step outside of your comfort zone. I challenge you to do what's not normal, because everything that you do that you're comfortable doing is just going to be comfortable. But if you step outside of your comfort zone and you do something that you just don't do on a normal day basis, I feel as if when you're done and you accomplish it, when you actually accomplish it, when you accomplish it, you will feel amazing. You will feel like you conquered the world, because obviously it was something that you didn't expect to accomplish. But yeah, so guys, thank you guys for watching. I know this video was not that serious and I didn't have nothing serious to say, but I just felt like talking to you guys. So listen, I just need you guys to do one thing. First off, I need you to like that button. Hit the like button. Just hit the like button. And then the second thing I'm gonna need you to do, actually it's still part of the one thing, you know.
Interesting.
I need you to subscribe.
Subscribe.
I cannot subscribe. Subscribe to this channel because every time I drop some fire videos, you will get a notification.
You guys will get the notification.
Well, actually, you have to click the bell. The bell.
Yeah, turn on your bell so that you guys can get notified every time she uploads a brand new video.
A brand new video. So guys,
brand new video.
Brand new video. Brand new video. Brand new.
Period.
Brand new. And that's on that.
And that's what that.
So you guys. So thank you guys for tuning in. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you later.
Bye, guys.